Okay, welcome to day 2 here on the RDP Advent Calendar. This month is all about the push-pull squat program that I'm going to be releasing later on. So today's tech tip is all about how to make your pull-ups stronger and much safer, especially for your elbows. Now, as I discussed yesterday, a large part of what makes your dips and your push chain exercise more effective is your scapular stability. So today we're going to apply the exact same thing into your pull-ups. What I'm talking about is avoiding the dreaded pull-up hunch, where things are hunching up, my shoulders are up, and I'm just trying to kind of get anything up towards my hands as much as possible. This is what I like to call the off position, where we're all hunched up with our pull-up, because basically your lats and most of the muscles in your back are just not even in the picture. So today we're practicing our scapular pull-ups, where we're basically packing our shoulders down nice and tight, using our lats. Try not to bend the elbows. I'm doing this seated because it's a lot easier to learn and get more range when you're not working with your full weight, but of course you can do that full weight off of a pull-up bar, getting just enough to get things engaged. And then when we do our pull-ups, we want to think pack and pull. Let your shoulder blades come up a little bit. It's not a dead hang, just a little bit of elevation. Pack and pull. It doesn't have to be, two separate motions. It can be one fluid movement once you get the hang of it, but still keep in your mind, pack and pull with your vertical pulling exercises. And today's workout mimics the one we had yesterday. We're gonna get 5 or 6 reps of either weighted, regular pull-ups, or progressive pull-ups, getting as many strong sets of those as possible. And once you start to feel your strength diminish, you have a row finisher of recline rows, really nice and low, for as many reps as you can in a minute, regressing the resistance as need be during that minute, so you can really, really burn out all the muscles in your pull chain. And if you didn't check it out yesterday, look at the way we're applying this to make your dips a hell of a lot stronger, much safer, and much more effective as well. More details on the program is down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit and live free.